explain, yet so transformative. But I would say that's the highlight of the first quarter of a century. I would hope that there are going to be many comparable highlights for the next 3/4 of the century. But my
که
bet is
قرار
going to
نکات
be a
برجسته
lot of
قابل
major
مقایسه زیادی
advances
برای
in
3/4 بعدی قرن وجود داشته باشه.
next.
Let's start with a standard English technology lecture playing on YouTube. This is the baseline audio experience most of us encounter daily. Now, we activate the extension and select a new target language from the list. The audio track shifts immediately. The English voice is replaced by the new language in real time, matching the pace of the original video. This setup allows you to watch any live stream or video with an AI-generated dub in your own language. To get this working, you only need the Google Chrome browser and a standard Google account. Being able to hear a live translation as it happens changes how you can follow international news, live events, or technical tutorials that don't have official captions. First, open the Chrome Web Store and search for the exact phrase Live Dub Live to find the correct extension. Click Add to Chrome, and then select Add Extension in the confirmation prompt to finish the install. You might notice the extension icon disappears from your toolbar immediately after installation. This is a standard part of how Chrome handles new tools. To find it, click the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner to view your extensions. Find LIV Dub in the list and click the pin icon. This keeps the tool visible on your toolbar for easy access. Keeping the icon pinned makes it much easier to toggle the translation or change languages while you're in the middle of a live broadcast. To power the actual translation, the extension needs a Gemini API key. This is a code that allows the software to use Google's translation engine. You don't need to know how to code to get this. It's just a simple process of generating a key and moving it between windows. Navigate to Google AI Studio. As shown in this dashboard mockup, you are looking for the button labeled Create API Key. Click that button, then select the option to create the key in a new project. Wait a few seconds for the system to generate your unique string of characters. Once the key appears, click the copy icon to save the entire string to your clipboard. With that code copied, you now have the specific credential needed to connect your browser extension to the translation engine. Now, go back to your browser toolbar and click the LIV Dub icon you pinned earlier. Locate the field labeled Gemini API Key and paste the code you just copied into that box. You must click the Save button to apply these changes. This confirms the connection is active. Now, look at the Language drop-down menu and choose the language you want to hear. For instance, select Persian or Spanish. Go to any YouTube video where someone is speaking and press play to see the results. The extension now intercepts the original English audio and plays back the translated version instead, completing the setup of your translation tool. You now have a working live translation system integrated directly into your browser. This setup remains ready for any future video or live broadcast you want to watch in your preferred language. You can now test this on different international channels to see how the AI handles various speakers and topics in real time.
Explain, yet so transformative. But I would say that's the highlight of the first quarter of a century. I would hope that there are going to be many comparable highlights for the next 3/4 of the century. But my
که
bet is
قرار
going to
نکات
be a
برجسته
lot of
قابل
major
مقایسه زیادی
advances
برای
in
3/4 بعدی قرن وجود داشته باشه. اما شرط من اینه که ما
next 250 years. I think thanks to AI and superintelligence.
ال 250 سنة الجاية أعتقد بفضل الذكاء الاصطناعي والذكاء الفائق هنشوف أبواب كتير تانية بتتفتح على صدمة وجودية في ال10 سنين الجاية. فمش إن شريحة البنتيوم هي اللي غبية، البيانات. أيوة، أنا قلت قبل كده إن المفتاح لفتح
ਸਮੱਸਿਆ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਇੱਕ ਕੰਪਿਊਟ ਸਮੱਸਿਆ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਫੋਕਸਡ ਡੇਟਾ ਸੈਟ ਅਤੇ ਬੈਂਚਮਾਰਕ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਡੇਟਾ ਸੈਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਮੂਲ ਰੂਪ ਵਿੱਚ